Hello everyone. I have recently installed a WD Green 240 GB SSD into my Dell Inspiron laptop, and my old laptop performs very fast and also there is less heating. I wanted to know what are the main components used inside this SSD. Now I have already opened this, and you can see the date of manufacturing is 9th June 2020 and made in China, and this is just held with the clips, and also there is a clip in the middle, so when opening you have to just push it downward. Okay, and now let's see what are the main components. Hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.